How to see the Valorant Store on your phone. Let's get started. First, launch your App Store or Play Store. In the search bar, type in Valorant Store and search for it. Different apps will appear. Scroll down until you find the app called Valorant Tracker. Download the app. Once the download is complete, open the app. You'll be taken to a page where you'll see the option Sign In. Go ahead and click on it. Then click on Continue. Now type in your Valorant account details and log into your account. Enter your username and password, or you can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple ID, or Xbox. Once you're logged in, you will have access to a world of information about Valorant matches. You can see your scores, your rank, and other key statistics. But here's the cool part. You can also access the Valorant store directly from within the app. That's right, you can use your Valorant points to make purchases right from the app. You can buy new skins, swap out your existing ones, and explore additional customization options. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to access the Valorant store on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.